Not again. Oh. Don't you hate it when companies raise their rates, which increase your bill every single year? Yeah. Well, look here. You don't have to sit there and accept the higher prices. Here are 5 easy steps that you can use which can help lower your bills. I literally call every single year with these steps and I get great results. Hi, my name is Josh and welcome to Just Frugal Me. If you're looking for ways to save, make money, and enjoy life on a budget, start now by subscribing and clicking the bell, and that way you don't miss anything. Let's face it, bills never seem to get less expensive. Instead, they might jump $5, $10, or even $20 without warning or a clear reason. No one likes paying the higher prices, but if we don't pay them, Hello? Hello? Who turned off the lights? Anybody home? Just because they say that they're going to raise your rates, that doesn't mean that you have to accept the higher fees. If they can raise your rates, that's telling me that I'm not locked in at any fixed price, meaning that it's open to negotiation. So the first step before you do anything, you need to be nice. Nobody really want to deal with you if you start calling the people, screaming at them, and making demands. For real, don't be a jerk about it. Technically, you're actually calling them to ask them for a favor because you are using their services. So you're asking them a favor to help you save money. So go ahead and practice those breathing exercises. Now we can proceed to step number 2. Step number 2 is give them a call and ask to speak to their loyalty department. If a company doesn't have this type of department, just ask to speak to retention. They will often offer you better deals than what the customer service representative can offer you.
To the boss, not me. Okay. The boss members.
I call companies every year and I end up getting lower prices. And sometimes they even come in less than what I was paying before. It really works. They're able to offer you some incredible deals because they bank on the majority of people out there, the ones who will not call and negotiate. So they can actually afford to give the minority of those who actually call in good deals because they're making so much more money off of everyone else. So this brings us to step number 3. When you speak to someone in the loyalty department, it's okay to act confused and ask them why they increased the price on your bill. I'm not saying that you have to act dumb, just a little puzzled, that's all. When you act confused, then you don't come off as the I know it all type, which will make your representative feel the need to help you out any way that they can.
Hello, you have reached the overpriced utility company. How may I help you?
Remember, this is the person who can help you save hundreds of dollars every single year. So maybe you should say something along these lines. Hi, I just received my bill this month and I noticed that it's higher than normal. I'm not sure why it's so high. I was wondering if you could help me out, please. You don't want to come off as being rude. Your customer service representative will not be inclined to help you if you're sitting there kicking and screaming, throwing a tantrum. If someone came to you being a smartass, would you really want to help them? Just saying. Which this takes us to step number 4. Let them work. Don't go making demands saying, I'm going to do this. You don't know who I am. It's okay to tell them about your loyalty and see the things that they can do for you, but don't make demands. Not a good idea.
Well, sir, I'm looking at your file right now, and it looks like that everyone had a 35% increase this month.
Yes, I understand. Is there anything that we can do about this price? I mean, I've been a customer with y'all about for the last 7 years now, and the service is awesome, but quite honestly, I just not in a position to fit the $150 in my budget right now.
Well, sir, let me see what I can do since you are a loyal customer and pay your bills on time. I can apply this discount here Yay, okay, this is awesome. I found another $10 discount here. And let me use this promotional. I was able to bring your bill down to a whopping $125, saving you $25. How does that sound?
Now, wait before you accept their offer. You want to make them negotiate with themselves. Okay, but is that the best that you can do? Ask that one question and stop talking. You have to let them work. Now you made the rep think twice of what they really can do for you.
Well, you know what? I can go on and see if I can beat that 125 offer since you ask.
Step number 5, you have to do your research beforehand by looking at what their competitors are offering for a similar package. Remember, even when you mention their competitors, be nice. And I really just want to say thank you for working with me, but I Googled earlier and I saw over there at Don't Forget to Subscribe to Me TV. Yeah, they're offering a similar package, but theirs is $105 a month. And I was wondering if we could beat that price, because I really want to stay with you guys because y'all service is amazing and I haven't had nothing but raving reviews about you guys. And I just want to make sure that we're able to continue this relationship. Because the truth is, they do not want you to go to their competitors, especially if you are a loyal customer who paid their bill on time. Customer service reps are working in sales. The result of your call will affect their hours in which they work, which will affect their pay and their job. I mean, they don't want to show that they lost X amount of customers on a call. So they will want to keep you as a customer and get a good review on the survey that they're going to tag on to the end of the call. If they went through all of the options with you and there's nothing more that they can do on their part, a lot of times they will put you on hold to ask advice from a coworker.
Well, you know what? Let me put you on a brief hold, and that way I'm going to go talk to my supervisor because, they have even better deals in their office than what I can see available on my end.
Okay, yeah, that's fine. Thanks.
I have great news. I was able to bring your bill down to $99, and since you have been so nice today, I thought that we would go on and throw you in the premium channels for the next 6 months. No price to you.
Thank you so much. You're awesome.
I really needed that. Is there anything else that I can help you with today while I have you on the phone?
Yes, matter of fact, there's one thing I want to ask. Are you looking for ways to save, make money, and enjoy life on a budget?
Why, yes, especially in times like these.
Well, I have a YouTube channel, Just Frugal Me. And if you find value in the content after you watch it, I would really appreciate it if you would give it a thumbs up. And that way YouTube will show the content to more people that may be interested in ways to save, make money, and enjoy life on a budget.
I will most definitely take a look at that on my lunch break. You know what? Actually, I have a few minutes now. I'm about to log right on.
And also, if you found value in the channel, I would really appreciate it if you would subscribe to the channel as well to join the community, and that way you don't miss another update as well. Oh yes, updates come out weekly.
Will do, and thank you so much for calling the Overpriced Utility Company. You have a great day, and I will most definitely check out your YouTube channel.
All right, bye-bye now, and thank you again so much. So be friendly and be nice. Because if you're not, they're just going to rush you off the phone so they can deal with the next angry customer, leaving you without saving money and no deals and a higher rate. What are some of the things that you do to monitor your bills and to lower your bills? Let me know in the comment section below. Check out more videos over there, and remember that being frugal isn't about being cheap, it's about being resourceful. Have a great day.